Today we're going to talk about conjunctions. Conjunctions are sort of like glue. They hook things together or hold things together in a sentence. As I said, conjunctions hook up or join or link words, phrases, and clauses. There are three kinds of conjunctions. There's coordinating conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. I don't think you need to worry about those words or those three different kinds, as long as you know how to use conjunctions correctly in a sentence. Here's some examples of conjunctions in a sentence. Salt and pepper. Tea or coffee. Cake, but not ice cream. Coordinating conjunctions are the first kind of conjunctions we need to talk about. They're the simplest. They join two or more words or phrases or clauses that are equally important, such as salt and pepper. Salt is no more important than pepper, and they're sort of equal in the sentence grammatically. So we join them with a coordinating conjunction, and. Same with tea or coffee. They're equal in the sentence grammatically, so we can join them with or. Would you like tea or coffee? And finally, our last example also includes a coordinating conjunction. But. I'll have birthday cake, but no ice cream. The cake and the ice cream are equal in the sentence, so we can just use the simple coordinating conjunctions. Here's an easy way to remember the coordinating conjunctions. The acronym FANBOYS. This is a mnemonic device in which each letter of the word FANBOYS stands for a coordinating conjunction. You can see them here. The F stands for, A for and, N for neither or nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. If you can remember FANBOYS, you can easily remember the coordinating conjunctions. Let's go on and talk about subordinate conjunctions. These are a little bit different. They link clauses together. And remember, please, that a clause is a part of a sentence that has both a subject and a predicate. A clause is independent if it could stand alone as a sentence. It's considered dependent if it can't stand alone. It does have a subject and a predicate, but it doesn't make sense by itself. It doesn't make sense by itself without the independent clause. Therefore, it's dependent on the other part of the sentence to make sense. Subordinate conjunctions introduce a dependent clause. They might also describe the relationship between the dependent clause and the independent clause in a sentence. Here are some examples. While I love cats, I can't have one because I'm allergic to them. Until you finish your homework, there's no TV. I don't think you need to memorize this list, and I'm guessing that you're using most of these correctly. My function here today is just to remind you what subordinate conjunctions do. They join up two parts of a sentence that are not grammatically equal. The independent clause, which could stand alone, and the dependent clause, which could not. The last kind of conjunction is correlative. These come in pairs, and they're used to join equal sentence elements together. Here's a list of examples. Either or. You may have either cake or ice cream, but not both. Neither nor. I'll have neither cake nor ice cream. I'm just not hungry. Not only, but also. Not only do I want you to use conjunctions correctly in your writing, but I also want you to use them correctly in your speech. Now for some practice. Complete the conjunctions practice that I've posted on the Moodle. You can work with a friend if you want, or work independently and have a friend check your work.